5 best IPTV players for Windows tested in 2025. What is IPTV-M? IPTV, or Internet Protocol Television, is a modern way to deliver live TV and IPTV content through the internet instead of traditional cable or satellite. This streaming experience enables you to watch movies, TV shows, and VOD content at your convenience without adhering to a fixed schedule. With a stable connection, you can stream live on multiple streaming devices, enjoy customizable viewing options, and access your favorite programs anywhere, offering far more freedom than old broadcasting methods. Best IPTV player apps for Windows. We present to you in this list the best applications tested for you so you don't have to. IPTV Stream Player Official. We place this app first because it's considered the best and among the most user-friendly IPTV players for Windows. With its sleek and simple user interface, it requires no advanced skills to get started. This free version is quick to download from the Microsoft Store and lets you easily add your M3U playlist files from your chosen IPTV provider for a seamless streaming experience. Key features: built-in catch-up, so you can replay your favorite live TV programs at any time. Minimalistic navigation with an organized interface to easily locate VOD content, TV shows, or movies. Integrated channels for live streaming for fans of real-time broadcasts. How to install. Go to the link below to install the app from the Microsoft Store. The app downloads quickly, which is one of its key features. After installation, the next step is to enter your subscription details provided by your IPTV provider. This allows users to stream live TV channels, VOD content, and access their personalized playlist for a seamless viewing experience. Right after that, the app quickly loads and reads the content from your subscription, taking very little time. You'll then access the first interface where your M3U playlists and EPG support display instantly, allowing easy navigation and smooth playback of IPTV content. After that, you simply choose one of the available options you prefer within the IPTV player, such as live streaming, VOD content, or managing your playlist for a customized viewing experience. Then you can enjoy watching your favorite program seamlessly, stream live TV channels or TV shows in 4K quality through your chosen IPTV service, enhancing your overall streaming experience. IBO Player is one of the standout apps in this field. We all know there are many complex or risky apps for Windows, but this IPTV player is among the safest and easiest to use. Unlike other media players, it's designed for a smooth streaming experience without malware risks. Simply download it, follow the installation steps by clicking Continue, and then access the main interface. From there, you can add your M3U file, connect to your preferred IPTV service, and start enjoying live streaming, VOD content, and customizable features that improve your overall viewing experience. After that, you go into the settings, the next step where you'll find a list of options to customize your IPTV player, adjust EPG support, manage favorites, and fine-tune your streaming experience for smoother navigation and playback. The next step is to click on Change Playlist to enter your subscription details, then go to Add Playlists, where you can easily import your M3U playlist files from your IPTV provider. After clicking, you'll enter your personal details either in Add M3U URL or using the Xstream Codes API. This allows the IPTV player to access your playlists, enable player support for live streaming, and provide a seamless viewing experience with VOD content. Right after that, you return to the main interface and click on Movies or Series to choose your favorite content. The IPTV player then lets you stream live TV channels, watch movies, and access VOD content with smooth playback and easy navigation. You can then pick any movie or series you like, while the IPTV player lets you stream live TV channels or VOD content with multi-screen support, built-in DVR, electronic program guide, EPG, parental controls, and favorites management to fully customize your viewing experience.